and then we put a wee roof.
And oh, you want a roof too?
Yeah.
That wasn't in the plan.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. There is no plan, is there?
No.
No plan.
No plan.
No plan.
No plan, no nothing.
We're making this up as we go along, aren't we?
Yep.
Let's go make something.
What else are we going to need? We need
So
wheels.
Wheels. A cabin.
Cabin.
Engine.
Yeah, because we're making the engine today, and then because we haven't got much time, so then we'll make the carriages maybe another time when you come up.
Yeah.
So we need we need wheels.
Wheels.
So we need something for the wheels to attach to.
There's the base.
Base, yep.
Base.
Do you know what this is for?
Nope.
They're called push sticks. Instead of trying to push that through with my hand, which is getting pretty close to the blade, I push it through with this.
Smart idea.
Means I don't cut my fingers.
Easy
It's too small, isn't it?
That bit's too small.
Ah, is this the bit we're after?
Yeah.
Ah, had me confused for a second.
That was easy.
Oh, that's nice and straight. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Does it feel
Yeah.
nice and straight?
Feels it. Ah, smooth. Hey,
That means it's straight.
and then
That's the other part.
we'll do the other side.
Yeah, that's actually quite sharp and it doesn't make any noise.
I wouldn't want to put my fingers under there.
Yeah. Don't make noise.
No, that'd make a big mess, wouldn't it?
Blood everywhere.
Blood everywhere.
Easy.
Easy peasy, hey? I could
Or
have.
you can use this for the wheels.
I could do, but I got a plan for the wheels.
What?
Or a modern one.
What's your model?
All the ones you see that go down the railway tracks.
So like real ones. No, fake ones. Yeah, fake ones.
They're all real.
True.
We want to see how that's all rough.
Yeah, you're on smoothing
We
there.
want to square that up. And we're going to exactly the same way as we did to that. How long do we want the engine?
About
About there, about there, about there, about there, about here, about there.
About right down this way.
What? Why do you want it that short?
Mm.
Why do you need it that short? Where's the engine going to go?
At the front.
At the front.
At the front of the train.
Sitting back here. So we'll cut
Yeah.
it back. We'll cut it about there, eh?
Yeah.
About here somewhere. We want it square.
Square. Square.
Wow.
Easy peasy.
It doesn't have to be square, but
Doesn't have to.
but it looks better when it does. So we'll cut it about there for the first cut.
Easy peasy lemon square.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then we've got to make a wee cab somehow for him.
Yeah.
How are we going to do that? How are we going to do that?
We could cut these bit off square and then put one on the back, say like one way bit longer, like this on the back. Hi again.
Hi again. Let's take all the sharp edges off. And what I'll do, we're going to find some more wood. But just on the edges. Just on the, see on the real sharp edges? Yeah. Don't use it, sorry. Yeah, like that. Sanding's a lot of work, eh?
Mm-hmm. That,
Yep, that's good.
Wait, whoa.
Oh, wait, whoa.
Get that.
Okay, hold on those ones. You can also go like this. Hold it. And just... See? It's taking the sharp edge off there. Yeah, I've got it on an angle. Maybe do it to the other side. Is that going to be easier?
Yep.
So we don't need to take much off. Just watch your hands when you do it, eh?
Since I forgot the ones.
You put on weight, haven't you? Since you were last here. Huh?
I'm
So,
growing.
You're growing.
Boy.
Good. Could do.
We could do it at an angle for it to go. Because these aren't long enough.
Those not long enough?
These screws aren't. Anyway. This one is. Yeah, that one is.
It's just about too long, isn't it?
Yeah. But this one's the right size. So 1,
How many of these do we need?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You reckon 6? But why don't we go like this?
True.
Then you won't see them.
Yeah.
Hey? Is that thinking?
Open.
It's holding its mouth open. There's no...
The clamp's holding its mouth open. Oh!
So now, we don't need the longer screws. We can actually find some shorter ones, like those, and just draw them in.
How about these?
Is that pretty cool?
How about these ones? How about this one?
How about that one? Is it too short though?
See? How about this? Is it too short?
I don't know.
Oh, look.
It's a little bit short, isn't it?
Okay.
A little bit. And then we guess.
Yep.
Perfect.
Perfecto!
Perfecto.
Fuck off. Does this move?
Not really. So,
Not that level, but it'll do.
can we put them into there?
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
You reckon?
Yep.
What are we going to use?
Screws.
You're going to screw it? Okay. This is yours. We'll put screw about there. About there?
Yep, about there.
Sure. Or are you just going to stand there and let me do it?
Oh, can
That's up to you, buddy. I'm not going to make you do anything you don't want to. You if you don't want to make your toy,
You keep it.
are you going to paint it?
Yeah.
What colour are you going to paint it?
I'm not sure yet.
You're not sure yet. Someone was a smart cookie that made that, eh?
Yeah, smart cookie.
Which was
Pull the cooker!
smarter than what this kid is. Because I'm pretty stupid.
How are you stupid?
Well, I didn't make that.
You're cool.
I didn't make that.
You could make a wood train. This could actually this would be hard, but this bit.
So how long do we want that?
About that long.
And then what we'll do is we'll glue. We'll put some glue in there so it doesn't come out.
than stuff.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.